Hi guys, today we are going to replace the flow meter sensor for 18-year-old dishwasher. So the problem was the water is keep coming and doesn't start the motor. So in that case we just replace the flow meter sensor. So for this dishwasher the parts was impeller jog, so we are going to replace that. So first we need to take the dishwasher out from the cabinet and just turn off the switch before you carry out this job, so that you don't get any hazard. So now I'm taking the dishwasher out from the cabinet, and it's very easy to replace the flow meter for the old model dishwasher of the Bosch. So we just need three screws from the two from the back and one from the front. So this kind of problem is really a common problem in Bosch dishwasher. So you might have encountered so many times if you have Bosch dishwasher. So this usually reflects the light indicator on the water tap signal was flashing for this dishwasher. So first we need to take three screws for the dishwasher, which I have done in the video. And then there is a impeller jog, you can see. So this is the new part, I'm going to replace it, and that's the one which is faulty. So to do that we need to take the the pipe from the water tank. So this one is a little bit tricky. I don't want to open from the back because it's really tough, takes more time if you really want to go from the back. So I just want to do it from the side because it doesn't take much time when you are like usual with this one, but I also suggest you to do it from the side. So you just need to take the clamp off and take the pipe out, and while taking the like the impeller jog, it is a little bit tough, so you just need to be careful and then just pull little bit harder. And it's also showing which one should go to the up side. So up means should be from the I mean like near to the tank. So now we need to push it little bit harder and then put the clamp in it. We can rarely see the clamp that I'm putting in. Now I'm going to put the last piece pipe to the impeller jog. So make sure all the clamps are fitted properly so that there will be no leak. Otherwise, if there is any leak, that will be the more problem in future. So you might get a leaking error or something like that, and we just need to be make sure that all the pipes are fitted properly and the clamps are properly fitted. So now we are testing, and you can see the water is coming from the inlet to the water tank. So this is the light which will be flashing if the flow meter sensor is wrong. So in all cases the flow meter sensor will not be a problem. Sometimes the water tap will be off, or sometimes there will be a kinked hose at the behind or something like that. So you need to make sure before changing all those things, and also make sure that while you put back the dishwasher, the inlet hose should not be kinked. And now I'm closing off. So we need to put the panel back and put all three screws where it was. So now we are putting the dishwasher, and make sure we fit it to the cabinet in the proper size. So two So to label the back leg of the dishwasher, you
because
just
I
need
knew
to
this gonna
do it from the middle of the dishwasher, which I have
anyway, I'm
just shown in the video. So if you like our video, please do subscribe and like our video. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching us. Keep supporting us, guys.